हाँ जी, सो स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स स्टार्ट विद फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर इन द सीरीज? क्लियर? नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ सीरीज आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस, तो एक बार मैं जल्दी से बता देता हूं कि टाइप्स ऑफ सीरीज कौन कौन सी हो सकती हैं, कैसे आप कर सकते हो। तो ये पीडीएफ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में मैं शेयर कर दूंगा, ठीक है? तो टाइप्स ऑफ सीरीज कौन कौन सी हो सकती हैं आप एक बार मैं बता देता हूं जल्दी से। एडिशन सीरीज, दैट कैन बी डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन, डिफरेंस, एडिशन, डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिफरेंस, ऑल्टरनेटिंग सीरीज। तो दो सीरीज का कॉम्बिनेशन ऑल्टरनेट सीरीज। डिफरेंस सीरीज, डिफरेंस मेथड। मल्टीप्लिकेशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन सीरीज will always increase because you are multiplying or adding something to the previous number to get the next term. And types of question that can be asked in the series chapter: find the wrong term in the series. Find the wrong term. What is a series? Series is a sequence of numbers. It is a sequence of alphabets which follows a certain pattern throughout that sequence. ठीक है? तो कोई मेरे पास अगर नंबर दे रखे हैं 1 2 3 4, तो नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आएगा 5, क्योंकि डिफरेंस क्या है प्रीवियस और नेक्स्ट नंबर में? दैट इज 1। तो एक पैटर्न मेरे पास हो गया ना। अगर पैटर्न फॉलो करता है कोई सीक्वेंस ऑफ नंबर या अल्फाबेट्स, तो उसे क्या बोल देते हैं? सीरीज बोल देते हैं। तो दैट इज सीरीज। ऑल्टरनेट सीरीज, दो सीरीज हैं एक साथ, ऐसे बोल सकता हूं। अगर मुझे ऐसे ही बताना है, बताने को मैं ऐसे बता सकता हूं, 1 3 5 एक सीरीज है, 2 4 तो नेक्स्ट नंबर होगा 6। तो ये दो सीरीज का कॉम्बिनेशन है। मल्टीप्लीकेशन सीरीज, मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्टर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है। डिवीजन सीरीज, एडिशन सीरीज। एन स्क्वेयर सीरीज, एन क्यूब सीरीज। परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर सीरीज, 1 4 9 16 25 36, सारे सारे क्या है? परफेक्ट। परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर। परफेक्ट क्यूब, 1 8 27 64 125, ये सारे के सारे। ठीक है? तो एन स्क्वेयर, एन क्यूब। उसके बाद बन सकता है एन स्क्वेयर प्लस 1, एन स्क्वेयर माइनस 1, एन स्क्वेयर प्लस माइनस एन, एन क्यूब प्लस माइनस 1, एन क्यूब प्लस माइनस एन। ओके स्टूडेंट्स? यार पीपीएससी के लिए आई थिंक आपका 10th में पंजाबी होना जरूरी है। यू मस्ट हैव पास्ड पंजाबी। ओके? ओके रवि? हाँ जी। एन स्क्वेयर प्लस माइनस 1, एन स्क्वेयर प्लस माइनस एन, तो एन कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है। सिमिलरली एन क्यूब के लिए हो सकता है। ठीक है? तो ये सीरीज मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूं, आप कल और परसों की वीडियो देख सकते हो। इस पे यूर पीडीएफ प्रेजेंट है यूट्यूब पर। ठीक है? इसके अलावा मैं बता चुका हूं इसमें, लेट्स से ए इंटू बी प्लस सी। एक से ज्यादा ऑपरेशन, किसी नंबर को ब्रेक करना है, किसी नंबर को ब्रेक करना है, 1 इंटू 1 प्लस 1, ये है जैसे 1 इंटू 1 प्लस 1। देन उसके बाद इससे बढ़ाओ 2 इंटू 1 प्लस 1, 3, लेट से 2, 3 इंटू 3 प्लस 1, 2 5 10। तो इसे फर्दर ऐसे भी लिखा जा सकता है ए इंटू बी प्लस सी। तो दो से ज्यादा ऑपरेशन, दो ऑपरेशन यूज हो रहे हो किसी सीरीज में, तो इसे मिसलेनियस सीरीज भी बोलते हैं। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स? इसके बाद रॉन्ग टर्म का क्वेश्चन आता है कि सीरीज में रॉन्ग टर्म बताओ कि जिस नंबर या अल्फाबेट की वजह से सीरीज पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं कर पा रही। तो आप लेफ्ट से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो किसी सीरीज के क्वेश्चन को, राइट से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। ये आप पर डिपेंड करता है लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करना है या राइट से। तो ये कुछ फंडाज हैं जो कि इस पे योर पीडीएफ पे ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट हैं। नंबर सीरीज का वीडियो देख सकते हो आप, या अभी रिसेंटली मैंने 1 2 दिन पहले कुछ टाइप्स ऑफ सीरीज डिस्कस की थी, वो भी तुम देख सकते हो। उससे काफी ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा कितनी टाइप्स की सीरीज है। और मैंने क्वेश्चन भी सोल्व करवाया था विद फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ एपी, जीपी एंड एचपी। ओके फ्रेंड्स? सो नाउ प्रोसीड with number series, proceeding with number series. Before proceeding with number series, let me make you aware कि जो टी, अगर मुझे नंबरिंग करनी है यार किसी अल्फाबेट की, नंबरिंग करनी है, ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना, ए टू जेड, दोबारा से 126 27। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो किसी भी नंबर का किसी भी अल्फाबेट का जो नंबरिंग होता है, ये दिस इज फॉरवर्ड नंबरिंग, और यहां से रिवर्स नंबरिंग स्टार्ट होएगी। तो 26 के बाद 27 नंबर ए का आने वाला है। तो सम ऑफ फॉरवर्ड, हाँ जी, तो अगर बैक से मैं नंबरिंग करूंगा 1, तो Z1 हो जाएगा, A26 हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो किसी भी अल्फाबेट की फॉरवर्ड और रिवर्स नंबरिंग का जो सम होगा 27। क्लियर? ओके फ्रेंड्स, ओके, सो लेट्स सी नाउ, सो लेट्स प्रोसीड। सो ऐसे ही हम क्या करेंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। हाँ जी, अब देयर आर 26 अल्फाबेट्स, 21 कॉन्सोनेंट हैं और 5 वोवल्स हैं। वोवल्स कौन कौन से हैं? ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आई थिंक क्लियर होगा ये भी आपको। तो ये कुछ फंडास हैं जो कि ध्यान में रखना है वाइल सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस सीरीज। ठीक है, तो यार एक क्वेश्चन मस्त है, हो सकता है कि 1 नंबर का, हो सकता है 2 नंबर का भी आ जाए। ठीक है, हो सकता है कि वो अल्फाबेट और नंबर सीरीज मिक्स करके दे दे तो 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन बना दे। ठीक है, तो एक क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है इसमें, तो किसी ना किसी सेट में तुम यहां से क्वेश्चन देख लोगे इसमें। हाँ जी, वट इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर इन द सीरीज? अब देखो क्या है, ये जो सीरीज है ना लगातार इंक्रीज हो रही है, मैं लेफ्ट टू राइट चल रहा हूं, इसमें नंबर का जो मैग्नीट्यूड है वो लगातार इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है। नाउ द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द नंबर्स is increasing in every step. So that means this series must be a addition series or a multiplication series. Some number must be adding to the previous number to give the next number, or some integer, I can say, some positive integer must be multiplicated with the previous number to get the next number. We can say that integer or any value, any number. So 12 to 35. So let's see first by difference method to find out the difference between the next term and the previous term. 23 difference. Next is 46. Next is 92. Okay, friends. 23, 46, 92, 184. So that means the difference keeps on multiplying to with number 2. 23 to the 46, 46 to the 92, 92 to the 184. 184 into 2, 368. So we need to add 368 to 357 to get the next number. So answer will be 725. Yes, friends, I think both visible and audible to you. Okay, students, so I think clear over first question. So that was the first question. So that question was based on this difference. difference method I can say, or it can be said as that is addition series. Addition series we can solve it on by difference method. So most of the question you will say you can do by difference method. So first try every question by difference method, then other series. So let's see another question now. Find the odd one from the following group. हाँ जी, तो नंबरिंग कर लेते हैं यार, नंबरिंग करके चेक कर लेते हैं। हाँ जी, ओड वन कैसे निकाल सकते हैं कि इनमें से अलग कौन सा है, अलग कौन सा है। अब देखो यहां पर भी एक वोवल है ओ, यहां पर दो हैं, यहां पर एक है, यहां पर कोई भी वोवल नहीं है, यहां भी कोई भी वोवल नहीं है। तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वोवल तो मुझे ऐसी कोई कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी निकालनी है जिसके बेसिस पे मैं क्या करूं, तीन को सिमिलर कर दूं, एक को ओड वन आउट कर दूं। अब सर ऐसे तो नहीं होगा, तो एक काम करो यार, नंबरिंग करो फिर। हाँ जी, इजोटी लिखो, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, चेक कर लेते हैं। हाँ, डब्ल्यू का क्या होगा, देखो वी, वी स्टैंड फॉर विक्ट्री साइन, वी का नंबर होता है 22, 2 to 22, T20 मैचेस, तो वी 22 है तो डब्ल्यू का 23 होना पड़ेगा। E5 होता है आपको पता है, के कितना होता है 11, हाँ जी, ए को 1 लिख सकते हैं, एक को 1 भी लिख सकता हूं, और क्या लिख सकता हूं यहां पर 27 भी लिख सकता हूं लिखने को। एक और देखो अब क्या है, ए के दो नंबर हैं, ए के मैं बोलूंगा फॉरवर्ड फॉरवर्ड नंबरिंग की जा सकती है, बैकवर्ड नंबरिंग भी की जा सकती है, जिसे आप रिवर्स नंबरिंग बोलते हो, और वी कैन डू ऑल्सो दिस नेक्स्ट नंबरिंग आफ्टर 27, after 26, 27 is again a, so we can write 27 also here, f6, then w x is 24, n is 14, t is 20। हाँ जी, v is 22। हाँ, अब फ्रेंड्स वी आर हैविंग दीज, नाउ वी कैन सी हेयर 23 minus 15, 8, तो -8 डिफरेंस है, फर्स्ट और लास्ट लेटर है, ये जो वर्ड दिया हुआ है इसके फर्स्ट और लास्ट लेटर में डिफरेंस है 8 का, और सेकंड और थर्ड का जो डिफरेंस है सेकंड और थर्ड लेटर का वो है +6, फर्स्ट और फोर्थ -8, सेकंड और थर्ड +6। हाँ जी, अब 9 और 23 आ रहा है यार, ये किया जा सकता है क्या। अब देखो क्या है, A27 हो गया, तो अगर मैं आई की नंबरिंग, अब देखो क्या है, आई का जो नंबर है ना, अब यहां पर तो 8 आ रहा है, तो मतलब ये जो फर्स्ट लेटर होना चाहिए इसका नंबर आपके फर्स्ट लेटर और फोर्थ लेटर, ओके, फर्स्ट और फोर्थ देखना है, फर्स्ट फोर्थ सेकंड थर्ड का डिफरेंस, फर्स्ट फोर्थ का कितना आ रहा है 8, -8, सेकंड थर्ड का कितना आ रहा है +6, -8 +6, कॉमन पैटर्न आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया यार, -8 +6। हाँ जी, अब इधर देखो क्या आ रहा है, इधर आ रहा है +18, बट वी नीड टू हैव -8, क्या हम एफ को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, Z 26, ABCDEF, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, कैन वी राइट F32। हाँ जी, F for x -8, यही होगी 32 24। तो इसका मतलब इसमें भी -8 + 6 -8 + 6 -8 + 6 है एफ NVBD। अब इसमें चेक कर लो, इसमें n बड़ा है d से, तो -10। हाँ जी, इसमें अब इसमें फर्दर मुझे ऐड करना है ना यार, तो b का कितना हो जाएगा 26 और 2 28, तो b को मैं 28 भी लिख सकता हूं, तो -10 + 6। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हाँ जी। सो माई odd one out will be NVBD बिकॉज फर्स्ट और फोर्थ लेटर एंड सेकंड और थर्ड लेटर में जो डिफरेंस बन रहा है वो क्या बन रहा है ABC में, that comes out to be -8 + 6, but in D it is coming out to be -10 + 6. So I think second question was again clear to you. So second was D. हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फिल इन द मिसिंग नंबर इन द सीरीज। तो ये क्वेश्चन देखा यार आपने, क्वेश्चन टाइम टेकिंग था ये, कि सर बन नहीं पा रहा, कोई बात नहीं, नहीं बन पा रहा तो फर्स्ट लेटर है ना उसमें 26 ऐड कर लो ना यार, उसे लास्ट लेटर से उसका मैग्नीट्यूड ज्यादा रखना है, तो उसमें 26 ऐड कर लो। हाँ जी, फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर इन द सीरीज। 2 से 3 बनाना है तो अब देखो डिफरेंस देख लो, ऐसे भी हो सकता है डायरेक्ट, +1 +3 +9। हाँ जी, ये बना कुछ, कुछ नहीं बना है, 139 कैसे प्रोसीड कर रहा है सर पता नहीं है। अब सर ये तो नहीं है, एडिशन सीरीज तो नहीं है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन चेक कर लो यार, कोई मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्टर तो नहीं है, 1.5, 2 × 1.5 3, 3 to the 6, तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्टर 0.5 से इंक्रीज हो रहा है। नेक्स्ट 45, आंसर विल बी 45, 45 into 3.5, हाँ जी, तो आई थिंक क्लियर होगा स्टूडेंट्स। तो आपका जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर है वो बिटवीन नेक्स्ट नंबर एंड प्रीवियस नंबर में क्या हो रहा है कि वो 1.5 से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, 1.5 2 2.5 3 3.5 4, तो ये बनेगा आपका। सो दैट वर द 3 क्वेश्चंस। Yes friends, I think ये आपको क्वेश्चंस क्लियर हो गए होंगे. So these were the three questions. These were the three questions that are clear to you. So doing the next question, that is find the odd one in the following group. So next time there will be another class on series in which I will cover the rest of the questions that appear from this chapter every year. And probable questions are already on YourPedia channel, YouTube YourPedia channel, from where you can watch my number series video and this for PPSC number for PPSC series chapter is already covered. हाँ जी, ऐसे ले सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. नंबरिंग कर रहा हूँ इजोटी से सेम. O is 15, P is 16, Q is 17, Z is 26, A 27, B 28. हाँ जी, B2, H8, K11, M13. C is 29, G is, हाँ जी, G को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? G is 7, so we can write 26 plus 7, 33. J is 10, so 26 plus 10, 36. हाँ जी, M13, V22. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो मैंने नंबरिंग कर दी. देखो क्या है, लेफ्ट टू राइट जो मैंने किया, मैग्नीट्यूड इंक्रीज कर दिया. आई हैव इंक्रीज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द अल्फाबेट्स बाय एडिंग 26 in their numbering of forward direction. Okay, 17 to 28 numbers increasing, 2 to 30 numbers increasing, 23 to 36 numbers increasing, 13 to 24 numbers increasing. Let's check the difference between the numbers. Can we find out the pattern here now? 17 to 23 plus 6 we have to do. 23 to 26 plus 3, 17 to 23 plus 6, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus 3, 26, 26 plus 2, 28 plus 2. Yes. Now BHKM, 2 to 8 plus 6. यही होगा स्टूडेंट्स. plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. So one pattern we are identifying, that is common pattern, difference of 6, 3, 2. It's applicable. Check here now. Plus 6, 23, 29. Plus 4 is coming here and plus 3 is coming here. Plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. So WCGJ, WCGJ. So that means that is the odd one out, and all three ABD are following this pattern, plus 6 plus 3 plus 2, and this is following wrong pattern, this. Difference between the numbering of alphabets of, difference between the numbering of consecutive alphabets. So that is a different in series as compared to A, B and D. So my odd one out will be C option. हाँ जी, फाइंड द नेक्स्ट टर्म इन द सीरीज 81, 54, 36, 24 क्वेश्चन मार्क. अब देखो क्या है, इन गेट एग्जाम यू विल फाइंड दैट फिल इन द ब्लैंक क्वेश्चंस. So you have to fill up by yourself. You will not be provided any of the option. So let's do this. 81, 54, 36, 24. Find the next term. Yeah, missing next term. Missing term will always be in between the series, in between two numbers. Next term will be last term. So 81 is 9 square. N square series check karo. So this is alternating N series. 9 square, 6 square. Now, how can we obtain 54? 9 into 6. Haji. So that means whatever the numbers are there, 9 and 6, whatever the numbers are there, so we need to multiply them to get the number in between those numbers. Okay. So perfect square, perfect square. So again there will some perfect square come. There will some perfect square come, and that perfect square will get multiplied by 6 will give you 24. So let's say this, let's assume this number is y. So 6 into y is equal to 24. So y is 4. So y square, y 4, so 4 square is 16. So answer will be 16. So 81, 36, 16. So answer will be 16. Fifth का answer 16 रहा. Yes, friends, clear. So let's do another. So in which of the following option will the expression m greater than p less than m, we can read it like this, m greater than p or p less than m will be definitely true. Definitely true किसमें है? तो ये कंक्लूजन किसमें निकलेगी डेफिनेट? तो ये हमें ऑप्शन बताना है कि सर m is always greater than p. So where we can find it? So see here, take the first option now and draw it like this: r greater than p greater than s. R is this, p is this, s is this. So this is my first option. Okay, m is less than r. M is less than r, so m can be here. M is equal, m can be here. M can be anything, anywhere below r. So from A option we can't conclude m will be greater than p always, because m is in case 1 m is greater than p, but in second case m is less than p, in third case m is also less than s and p both. So we can't conclude. हाँ जी, f greater than p greater than s. हाँ जी, एफ पी एस. हाँ जी, m is greater than s. M is greater than s. M can be here. M can be here. Now m is greater than p. M is greater than p in two cases, but in third case m is not greater than p. P is equal to F, F greater than M, P equal to F. So this is C option. Let's draw M greater than R is greater than A is equal to P. So here in C option, P is greater than M always. P is equal to F and greater than M. But we need to tell M is greater than P. M is greater than P is given in D option clearly. So answer will be D. Okay, so I think students this question is again clear too. So please try to solve 7th, 8th and 9th question. Please try to solve 7, 8th and 9th question. 7, 8th and 9th question. Okay, so I think students clear होंगे ये questions. So we can try 7th, 8th question now. So here ये inequality का question था. So that question was from inequality. So you can solve the inequality questions like this. Okay, coded inequalities. Okay, coded inequalities. हाँ जी 7, 11, 13 find the next term. See G अब see the numbers do the numbering of alphabets in forward direction. F6 pick 6, G is always 7, J is 10, K is 11, M is 13. Yes, 7, 11, 13. So these are prime numbers. So these are prime numbers 7, 11, 13. Sorry, 7, 11, 13. Yes, these are prime numbers. 9 is missing. Okay. So next note will be 15. So that will be 17. And 17 is of Q. O is 15, P is 16, Q is 17. Same question है, similar question. 13, 17, 19. तो नंबर भी वही है और अल्फाबेट की नंबरिंग भी वही है. 13, 17, 19. So this is 23. MQS. So 23 number will be of W. So answer will be 23W. So 8th is C. So I think students these are the questions. 8. So first 8 questions I think these are clear to you. You can write in the chat box if you are having any doubt in the first 8 questions. बेस्ट ऑफ लक का कोड ये है, इफ दिस कोड स्टैंड फॉर बेस्ट ऑफ लक, दिस कोड स्टैंड फॉर गुड विशेष, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडिकेट्स एस द एग्जाम, ये दिया हुआ है एस द एग्जाम, इनमें से कौन बताएगा, दिस वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई। स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट वी कैन डू हियर, we can do it like this. See, we need to miss some of the letters in best of luck to get this code. Okay, as we know, here is also B, here is also B, but here is S, here is E, so miss E, then S T is there, O F, then O is missing, F is there, luck, L is there, U is missing. Okay, students, so I, this means from this we can conclude that only vowels are missing here, so please remove the vowels and make the code in the reverse order. So what is the code now? B S T F L C K, and write it in the reverse order, write it in the reverse order. Okay, so similarly for this, O O, so G D W S H S, G D W S H S, ace the exam, remove A, remove E, remove E, remove E, remove A. So this will become CTHXM. So what it will become? MXHTC. So जो word given था, the word we are given with, we removed the vowels from that word and we wrote that word in the reverse order, MXHTC. So answer will be option B. So answer will be option B. So that question was from number series, this coding and decoding. So I think students that was the question. Okay, so let's do another question now. So I think this question was again clear to you. Find the odd one in the following group: A L R V X E P B Z B I T Z D F O Y E I K. Again numbering we can do. Let's do it by some other method, other shortcut method. Firstly, check the number of vowels. See, in every word there are 5 letters. In every word there are 5 letters. A L R V X. A is there? I is there? O E I. Hanji. So one vowel, 3 vowel. So answer will be option D. So answer will be option D. Okay, friends. So only one vowel was present in ABC, and there are 3 vowels present. That is O E I. Option. Okay, friends. So that was the question. So see the next question now. So count the number of vowels. हाँ जी. So road numbering is this. If you number the road, so this is like this. So you are having this U R D G. So see here now, students. So R number is 18, U is 21, R is 18, D is 4, G is 7. So that means 18 to 31, 21 plus 3, 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 plus 3. So similarly, we can do, so this was word, and after adding plus 3, that will go. हाँ जी. So 22 is of V victory sign, 2V. हाँ जी, 22, N. हाँ जी. P is 16, Q is 17. B Z D Q. Answer will be option B. So whatever the word is given to you, so please do the numbering for that. So that can be from forward direction or from reverse direction, and check whether you have to subtract some number of letters, or you have to add some number of letters to make the code. So in road, you have done the numbering like 18, 15, 1, 4, and you have to, in code, you are getting the number 21, 18, 4, 7. So that means the operation used here is of plus 3. So you have to add plus 3 to the numbering of code, numbering of word. Similarly, here you have done numbering. So you added plus 3. So you get this code, that is VZDQ. So that is the code. And word is Swan. Okay, students. So I think these questions are clear to you. So these were some of the questions that appeared in previous year GATE exam from series chapter. In next class, I will meet you with some more questions like this, and you can expect 1 mark or 2 mark question from this chapter. This is very easy chapter. Uh, you can solve the question in exam definitely. So please watch my our number series video, or recently yesterday, that is 2 days before, I have took class for PPSC, SDE also. So in that also I have covered this number series in detail. Okay, so thank you friends. So keep watching your video, keep preparing. Okay, so first question is, given the sequence of term ADCGFKJP, the next term is, please correct is, so that is next time is not, so that is next term. So please correct, that is the next term. Next term is, yes. I'm giving you some time, so you can solve up to 4. You can solve first 4 questions. I think they are visible. Yes, please write in the chat box, are they visible? Are you having any problem in reading these questions? So these questions are related to various papers. I will say that is related to various branches that appeared from this section. So you can say that one question is a must of 1 or 2 marks from this chapter to fetch 10 marks in your exam. Okay. So I think 10 to 12 marks FT is there, 3 marks is English, and 15 marks of engineering maths. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is Ajoti. Z26, then A again. Yes, you can see now A, D, C, G, F, K, J, P. Then you can see here that the first letter of this sequence, that is A, C, F, J. So how this is possible? A to C, C to F, A to C, I will say that is one letter is missing plus one. C to F, so that is two letter is missing. D and E are missing. Then F to J, that is G, H, I. Three letters are missing. Three letters are missing up to J. Then there will be four letters missing next. That is K, L, M, N. K, L, M, N will be missing, so that is O. Okay, so next is O. So D, G, K, P. Okay, so that is again two letters are missing. You can say D, E, F. Two letters are missing. I am taking that is a second letter of the term, of the first term, second term, third term. D, E, F is missing. G, H, I, J missing. H, I, J. Then K to P. L, M, N, O. L, M, N, O. Four letters are missing. P. Then after P you will be having Q, R, S, T, U missing. So these five letters will be missing in the second letter of this next term. So that will be after you will be having V. So answer will be OV. So answer was option A. So I think you are clear with this. So answer is OV. Yes, friends. Are you clear? Yes. Please write in the chat box. Are you clear with the answer or not? First question. Okay, friends. So I think that was the first question. Now let's discuss another question. Very easy. 44, 42, 40. What will be the maximum sum of these terms? See, maximum sum, what can you do? So that is infinite, I will say. If you proceed after 40, so that will be infinite. Okay, but you need to find out the maximum sum. Maximum sum, so you need to take the least positive value, that is last least positive value. So last least positive value will be plus 2. So that means my L or Tn is 2. Okay, students. So this is sort of AP. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So common difference is coming same. Common difference is coming same. 44, 42, 40, 38, 36. So common difference is coming same throughout. So in a sequence of numbers, if common difference is the same, that is next term minus previous term, so that common difference is same, then that sequence is known as an AP, that is arithmetic progression. Okay, so that is, so last term is equal to, that is nth term formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So this we know from AP. See, I have already discussed in one video. I think there are three videos of Punjab Public Service Commission present on YouTube. So last week I have took the class, so in which I have discussed all types of series AP, GP, and HP. So you can watch that video and you can revise these formulas, so that are helpful. Okay, friends. So last term formula for AP is this, and you are having last term as 2. First term is 44. Difference is minus 2. So that is 21 plus 1, n is 22. So that means there are total 22 terms. So if you count 44, 42, 40, 38, 36, last is 2. So that is total is 22. So last is I will 2 and total number of terms will be 22. Now What is some formula for an AP? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or I will say a plus tn, yeah, a plus l, that is first plus last term. So n is 22 by 2. Okay, so that is 44 plus l is 2, so that is 11 into 46. So 11 into 46, you can say that is 46 into 10, 460. 460 plus 11 will be how much? You can again cross check if you have done correct or not. Maximum sum. N is 22 or not? Yes, 11 into 46. So 10 into 46 is 460. 460 plus 46. So that is 6, 10, 506. So answer is C. Okay, friends. So these are two questions. So you can see. So we will discuss question related to GP also. So you can watch that video that is present on YouTube on Yourpedia channel, in which I have discussed the series chapter in detail with all types of series and all types of progressions. So all formulas I have discussed there, and you can do the questions. Okay. Okay. So let's do third and fourth question now. So I think you are clear with the first two questions. Yes, please write in the chat box. Are you clear with the first two questions? Yes. Please write in the chat box. Are you clear with the first two questions or not? Yes, Karthik, Javed, Sanam. Okay, so friends, next question is in a sequence of 12 consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive, I will say uh, that is in succession. That is lagatar, consecutive. Okay, so let's say the first odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. So let's write as it as A. So this I can write as what I can write as. Yes. So you can. So that these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So similarly, you can frame. Yes. So these are the some odd terms. You can start from any of the odd number. I am not saying you have to start from one always, or for even number always from two. No, you can start from anywhere. See, the difference here is of two. The difference here is of 2. So let's take it as A. So next number will be A plus 2. Next number will be A plus what is 4? A plus A. So next is 11. So similarly that will be A plus 10. So you are substituting A as 1, and you can write all the, I will say, that is 12 consecutive odd numbers. So these are, I think, 6 in number. Next will be. So these are again 4 numbers I have written. So similarly, A plus 20 and A plus 22 you can write. Okay, 12 consecutive odd number. The sum of first 5 numbers is 425. Okay, so in a sequence of 12 consecutive odd number, the sum of first 5 numbers. So sum of first 5 number is this: A plus 2, A plus 4, A plus 6, A plus 8. So that will be 5A, 4 or 2, 6 or 6, 12 or 8, 20. Sum of first 5 numbers is 425. So 5A is 405. So A is 81. A is 81. So your first term will be 81. So that means your first odd number will be 81, then will be 83, then 85. So it is proceeding like this. What is the sum of last five numbers in the sequence? 14 or 16, 30, 30 or 18, 48, 48 or 20, 68, 68 or 20, 22, sorry. That is 19. 5 into 81 plus 90. 405 plus 90. So that is 495. So the sum of last five numbers, so that will be 495. I have added these last five numbers. So answer is 495. I think you can solve these questions like this. Otherwise, you can also start from any of the odd numbers, and similarly, you can write these general odd numbers in the form of A, B, C, D, or X, Y, Z, I will say. Okay. So similarly, you can analyze the next question now. So this is the missing value here. In the box, you have to write, that is, I will say one number: 654 74721 1928121 41523 3 question mark 3. Okay, so I think you're clear with this question. So let's do another. I think you must have. Yes, got it, Karthik. Yes. Please keep writing in the chat box if you are clear with the solutions of these questions. See, these are important questions. I will say similar question can be asked in next year also. Okay. So previous year questions are must. See, this is very easy question. I will say, that is, find the missing value. So I will say this is a very easy question. I will again say. See, 654. So that is 4 4 5 6. I will say 6 and 4, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. So average of 6 and 4. So you are, so that means in the first row, average is given in the middle, because you have to find out the middle number. 7 or 4, 11. 11 or 3, 14. Again, 14 divided by 2, so that is 7. 11 or 1, 12. 12 or 4, 16. 16 by 2, 8. So again, you have to find out the average, and the average is present in between. There is three terms. Three terms, five terms, seven terms, five terms, three terms. 4 or 1, 5 or 2, 7 or 3, 10. 10 by 2, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So you are finding the average. So answer will be 3. So missing value is 3. So I think you can do this question like this. See, insert the missing character. There is a topic in reasoning, that is insert the missing character. In place, you will be given with some square, circle, rectangle, or any figure in which there will be alphabets or numbers present, or I will say combination of both. So you can watch that video on Yourpedia. It is already present. That is insert the missing character. So that is also a important chapter. So this question is from that chapter. Okay, you are given with some figures, and in figures there are some numbers or alphabets, and you have to find out the next number or missing number or alphabet. So similar to, I will say, series questions. Again, there will be division, multiplication, addition, subtraction operations will be used. Okay, so that we have already done in the series, or perfect square, perfect cube. Okay, students. Yes. Yes, find the missing sequence. Yes, find the missing term in the this letter series. A, C, D, G, H, I, U, V, W, X, Y. Okay. A, C, D. So B is missing here. After D, you are having E and F missing. E and F. So that means two letters are missing. G, H, I. So then there will be three letters missing. So that is J, K, L. So that will be M, N, O, P. Four letters. Then your term will be M, N, O, P. So that means Q, R, S, T. So there will be next four letters missing. So your answer will be M, N, O, P because J, K, L is missing. So answer will be M, N, O, P. So Q, R, S, T is missing. So that next will be U, V, W, X, Y. Okay, so I think you must be clear with this. First is B missing, second is E and F missing, G, H, I. Next is J, K, L missing, so next will be M, N, O, P. So next is Q, R, S, T missing, so there will be U, V, W, X, Y. Yes, do the next question now. The number that least fits this set. So that means that you have to find out the odd one out. See, these all are perfect square. 324 is 18 square, 441 21 square, 64 is 8 square. So next you, that means 97, and 97 is not a perfect square. It is a prime number and the odd one out will be 97. So your answer will be option C. Okay, so do the next question now. Pick the odd one from the following option: C, A, D, B, E, J, H, K, I, L, X, Y, X, V, Y, W, Z, O, N, P, M, Q. So you have to find the odd one out. Yes, you are given with some combination of letters. Yes, so I think you can solve this. So odd one is C to D, D to E. So that is alternating series with plus one, difference of one. So next is A to B. Next is J to K, K to L. So that is plus one. S to I. So that is plus one. Hanji, X, Y, Z. So that is plus one, plus one. So V to W. So that is plus one. So that means these are alternating series with a difference of one. With a difference of one. So C, D, E, A, B, J, K, L, H, I, X, Y, Z plus 1, V, W. Yes. So similarly, this will be like this: M, N, O, O, P, then P to Q plus 1. Theek. Okay. So that's correct. Then after N, there should be O. But here is M coming, that is minus 1. C, plus 1, 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 minus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So odd one out will be D. Yes, pick the odd one out in the following: 13, 23, 33, 43, 53. Yes, I think you can do this question. So you can see here that there is a difference of 10. There is a difference of 10 in the consecutive numbers. But you have to find the odd one out. Odd one out: 13, 23, 43, 53, all prime. All prime numbers except 33. Because 33 is divisible by both 3 and 11. 33, but all others are divisible by only 1. Only 1 and themselves, so those are known as prime numbers. Okay, friends. So I think yes. Okay. So let's do another question now. Yes. Let's solve these three questions: 9, 10, and 11. Yes. B, F, H, L, and P. So B number in forward action 2, F is 6, H is 8, L is 12, N is 14, P is 16. So the numbering in forward action of these letters will be like this. So you can see in each term there is a difference of +2. So that means if you are writing, so you have to find out for the next term the first letter is important. And in first letter you can do +2, +2, +2, and you can find out. So one term, I will say one letter, two letter, three letters. So there will be four letters in the next term. In the fourth term there will be four letters. Then so next is C. In the first letter 2 to 6 plus 4, 6 to 12 plus 6. Then 2, 4, 6. So next will be 8. So next will be 8. So next I will say that is next is 20 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 22, 24, 26. Yes, 20 is, so I will say T for number 20, L letter will be T. For 22, I will say V. For 24, X. TVXZ. So answer will be C. Find the missing number in the following sequence: 2, 12, 60, 240, 720, 1440. Yes, 2, 6 the 12, 12, 5 the 60, 60 for the 240 into 3, 720 into 2 into 1 into 0. So that means the multiplication factor is decreasing by 1 continuously. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into 6, you will get the next term. Into 5, you will get the third term. Into 4, you will get the fourth term. Into 3, you will get the fifth term. Into 2, you will get the sixth term. And into 1, you will get the one, that is seventh term. So eighth term will be 0. So my answer was B. So your multiplication factor was decreasing by 1. So, or you can do it by divide also, by division also. So I have done it by multiplication factor. Because the series was increasing. See, if the series is increasing from left to right, so that means some addition operation or some multiplication operation must be done to the previous term. So that then only the series can be increasing. Next, what is the value of 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 64, 1 by 256? See, now we are not given with the last term. So let's suppose that is infinity. So that is infinity. Yes, we can write 4 as, so let's say 4 power 1, 16, 4, 2. 4 power 0, 1, 4 power 1, 4, 4 power 2, 16, 4 power 3, 64, 4 power 4, 256. So we can say this is GP. So let's check common ratio. For GP, common ratio must be same between two terms, that is previous term and next term. So 1 by 4 divided by 1, so common ratio is 1 by 4. Here the common ratio is 1 by 16 upon 1 by 4, so that is 1 by 4. So common ratio throughout the series is same, so that is known as geometric progression, I will say. And A here is 1. A here is 1 and R is 1 by 4. So R is less than 1. So sum of infinite terms of an GP, because last term is not given. So your formula for this is y upon 1 minus R. Again, related to GP, I have discussed all the formulas in that video of series. You can watch that. So answer will be option D, that is 4 by 3. 1 upon 3 by 4, so answer will be 4 by 3. Okay, so I think since you are, so please write in the chat box. Yes, Sanam, Karthik, are we done with these questions? Please write in the chat box. Are these questions clear to you? Up to 11. Yes, you can check in the group. Yes, Ram, you can check in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so let's do another question. AMCF is written as this, NKUF is written as this. So how can you write DHLP? So you are given with some examples. Yes. So AMCF is written as this. This is written as this. So how is this written? So you can say this question is related to coding and decoding. Again, in coding and decoding, you are using this alphabetical series, I will say. The concepts we have discussed in alphabetical series. Yes, let's try to do these questions. Okay, so let's discuss this question. AMCF is this, NKUF is this. Yes, A to E. C. You can find out the relation A to E. So that means B, C, D letters are missing. So I can say three letters are missing. M to Q. N, O, P. Three letters are missing. C to G. D, E, F are missing. F to J. G, H, I are missing. So three letters are missing. Three letters are missing. N to R. O, P, Q. O, P, Q are missing. K to O. L, M, N. Three letters are missing. U to I. V, W, X. G, H, I. Yes. So skip three letters for DHLP and you will get your code. That is E, F, G, H. H will be, you have to skip three letters, that is E, F, G. Then after H, I, J, K. So that will be L. M, N, O. So that is P. Q, R, S. So that will be T. H, L, P. Okay. So I think you must be clear with the solution of this question. Yes, Sanam. Answer is C. Let's do the next question. Find the missing group of letters in the following series. Yes, let's try 14, 15, 16. Yes. Okay. I'm discussing the next question. B, C. So that means plus one. First term, second term, F, G, H. So they are consecutive letters. Then L, M, N, O. Consecutive letters are there. So that means between C and E, there are two letters missing. That is D, E. Then F, G, H. Then after H to L, there are I, J, K. Three letters missing. Two letters, three letters, L, M, N, O. Four letters are missing. Sorry, L, M, N, O are already present. So that means we need to miss 4 letters, that is P, Q, R, S. So that means 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters. T, U, V, W, X. So answer will be option B. So 13th is V. Ejoti. So in the forward direction, the numbering is like this. See, they have doubled E's 10, J 20, O 30, T 40. So what will be the code for pest? So similarly, you can do E's 5. So they have doubled it 10. For J, they have doubled it 20. For O, they have doubled it. For T, they have doubled it. For Y, they have doubled it 50. So whatever numbering in the forward direction of that alphabet, you need to multiply with 2. Yes. O is 15. So P is 16. E 5. S is 19. T is 20. So that means into 2. 10, 48. So 32, 10, 38, 40. 32, 10, 38, 40. 4, 5 or 3, 8 or 4, 12. So answer will be 120. Yes, 14 is B. Let's do another. So I think you are clear with up to 14. So let's do 15 and 6. 343, 1331, 4913. Of course, uh, if you remember the perfect cubes, then you can solve this question. 7 cube. This is 11 cube. So next is, so that means prime number cubes. 9 is missing, otherwise odd number cubes. So that means 13 cube will be next, and this will be 17 cube. So 17 cube is 4913, and 13 cube is, that is 2197. 13th is a D. This answer is 15th is D. So that is prime number cube. So this is prime number cube. In sequence, the pattern is prime number cube. IMHO, JNIP, IDK, JEL, SO is TP, then IDC is equal to. Next question. Yes, I to J plus 1, M to N plus 1, S to I plus 1, O to P plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. S to T plus 1, O to P plus 1. Then IDC2 plus 1. Plus 1, D2 plus 1, E. C2 plus 1, that is D. JED. So answer is B. So answer is option B. 16th is B. 15th is D. Yes. So I think you are clear with first 16 question. Yes, Karthik. Yes, Javed, Sanam. Yes. So I think we are clear with first 16 questions. Let's do last 4 questions now. Yes, O is 0, P is 1, Q is 2. So if 0, 1, 2, 2, 7, 8, 9 are coded as O, P, Q, V, W, X. So similarly R, S, T, U. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think this will be your code. 0 for O, 1 for P, 2 for Q. So similarly R, S, T, U. R, so for 4 code is S and for 5 code is T. So answer is ST. T3 R27 T243 then Q plus S. Yes, P is 3, R is 27. So R is 3 cube and T is 243. So 243 is 3 power 5. 3 power 1, 3 power 3, 3 power 5. So that means Q and R will be having 3 power 2 code and S will be having 3 power 4. So Q is 9 and R is and S is 81. So sum is 90. Yes, Vishal. So I think you must be clear with this. 17th A, 18th is C. Yes. Are we clear up to 17th and 18th? T3 R27 T43. So Q will be 9 and S will be 81 and their sum is 90. Okay, so let's do 19th and 20th now. Okay. Yes, next is ZWVRQP. So let's do the numbering 26, 23, 22. So let's do the numbering. Yes. First term consists of only one letter. Second term, two letters. Third term, three letters. So next term will be four letters. That is clear. So minus 3, minus 5. So next is minus 7. See, 26, 23, then 18. So that means the difference of that is odd number 3, 5, 7. So next difference will be of 7. And after that, the difference in the term in the letters of the term will be of minus 1. Okay, so that is minus 7 and after 18, so 7 will be that is 11. 11, then minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, friends. So J is 10, I is 9, K, J, I, H. Yes, K, J, I, H. PQRS, PQRS to be uniquely coded as alpha beta. P is coded as Q. P is coded as alpha alpha, Q as alpha beta, then R and S respectively can be coded as. Yes. See, very easy question. Uniquely coded. code should be different. Unique means that is code should be different, and the code should be made of both alpha and beta. See, from alpha and beta, using both, the code can be alpha alpha, can be alpha beta, code can be beta beta, and code can be beta alpha. These four possible combination are there. And for P, they have already declared that is code is alpha alpha, and Q they have done that is alpha beta. So that means R and S can have beta beta and beta alpha. So beta beta and beta alpha are present in only option C. So for 20th, option C is correct. So I think you are clear with this question. Uniquely coded alpha beta. So alpha beta से आपको क्या बनाना है, इसका कोड बनाना है alpha 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 beta 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 alpha. Okay, students. So these were the 20 questions, and along with these 20, there were 12 more questions that I have already discussed in the last lecture of the series. So these 32 questions, some from coding, insert the missing character, and series. So okay, Javed. So I will meet you in the next class soon. So thank you once again. Thanks for watching.